Today I noticed my electric door lock had not worked anymore. It stopped working. And I was curious about it, so I figured, well, let's try the batteries. If you'll notice, the dead batteries bounce when you drop them. This is always the case. I use AA batteries here, and they're you can see them bouncing. And if you take new batteries and you try to bounce them, they just kind of plant. They always just kind of hit and stop. This has always been very interesting to me. In fact, I showed this to a Eveready rep at a conference, and she was just blown away. She said she would report it to her people, the engineering people. Now, if you take the battery checker, just put the good and bad batteries in there. Let's see what happens. Of course, a new battery shows it's good. I'll check another. There we go. It's going to be a good battery if I can get it in there correctly. Uh-oh, there we go. Uh-oh. See, good battery. Each one of these new batteries I'm checking are good. And you'll be able to tell here in a minute what I've found with the old batteries. Okay, so here's an old battery. One that's drained, and it shows low. And that's why the door lock stopped working. So it's interesting how you can take, if you don't have a battery checker, and you want to just check your AA batteries, for example, when you drop them a little bit on a hard surface, they will bounce. And this proves that they are, in fact, low output batteries. It's really been interesting to me, and I wonder what the physics and the science behind it is, but maybe all the voltage just fell out.